People ask him about it all the time. You have to be over it and actually go to it.
Yeah, you're best off to, yeah. Good evening, Chris. Welcome to Altea. Becky, hi there, Becky. We're just waiting for the fireworks to start now. They're going to be out at sea. Louise, Wendy, Ben, Chris. Yep, Nancy, the gang is here. Becky, Daz, hi Daz. It's not so busy as I thought it was. Yeah, I'm feeling a lot better now. Thank you. But yeah, the fireworks are going to be let off right out in front of us here. Well, that's what it's looking like. You can see the boats out there. They're letting them off from the barges out there. There's about 600-700 meters of barges out there, all the way along here. Hi Lorraine. Yeah, well, been getting ready. The fireworks are being let off from out there. Do you know what? I cannot believe some of these restaurants have closed. They've closed. Would you believe that? We're here for a firework display, one of the biggest in Spain, and they've closed at their normal time, 11 o'clock. Can you believe that? Absolutely incredible. TUI, you're charging. They're charging 29 euros for the trip, and that includes the seat. You've been waiting for this, so have I. Yeah, I can't believe it. And the next door one as well, the Valor restaurant, that's just closed. Closed at 11 o'clock, that's their normal time, so they've closed up. You'd think they would have done a special and opened up, because there's all these restaurants along here. Can feel the excitement building, yes.
Etched on your brain, isn't it? That's the trouble.
The beach is just the other side of that barrier there. What time are they on? In 10 minutes' time. I don't know, Shirley, what the occasion is, but there's a big, it goes on till 6 o'clock in the morning afterwards. There's like a big party, a big rave going on till 6 in the morning. The buses are running until 6 in the morning, which is unusual as well. So, yeah, they've got the Hi Karen. So yeah, we actually went to. We could have gone the bus all the way, but not to worry. We didn't realise. Hi Laurie, thank you for that. You will hear them from Rio Park. No, you won't. But you might see the flashes. I don't know if there's one in Alicante as well, but it's one of the biggest. And they let them off out at sea. That's the difference. They've got barges out there, and they let them off. They've got security going along at the moment. They're checking them. You see the boats moving there. Look. You see the light here. Look, they're up and down all the time, because these white lights, that's where the fireworks are going to be going from. It's a massive display. It's 40 to 45 minutes every year, but it's about 40 to 45 minutes. It's great to see you with your daughter. All right, hi there. What time? In 10 minutes? Well, 5 minutes now, actually. Apparently 5 to midnight. So they're just about ready to set them off, I would have thought.
When was he was trying to take me to? So I think that the nearest thing.
So it goes all the way up through there. It's a massive, great big display. It's about 600 to 700 meters apparently. But we'll get a warning. We'll get a 2-minute warning, because they'll set off a big firework. They'll set off a big noisy firework. So we'll get the warning just before they're going to go. That's what they normally do.
He said, I say that he fell over.
Next year we will be there. Your daughter turns 11. That's good. Firework display, massive one. Thank you, Caroline. That's excellent. Yeah, if anybody else wants to help me, subscribe to my YouTube channel. There is a link in my bio. It'll take you straight there. But that would be brilliant if you could, because I'm trying to get over 2,000 on my YouTube channel. But, yeah, so it's going to be the biggest one of the biggest fireworks displays in Benidorm, in Spain, sorry. And this little restaurant here, we went to ask in there, and they said they're closing.
Well, I'm an electrical engineer.
Crazy.
But I've been semi-retired, right?
And we've got Amanda, we've got Martin, we've got Danny.
Yeah.
We've got Bella, we've got Nancy, there's Nancy. And Rebecca here, and we got Amanda and Lee. There's 10 of us. Rosie and Paul are still suffering from last night and they couldn't make it, so Roisin and Paul couldn't make it. It's a shame because it's going to be good. Shelley says hi, Becca.
Hello, Shelley. There's a table just there.
Yeah, I know. So, yeah, we're all here. Nancy just here, look. Come on, give her
There's a table just
I
there.
poke her head, look. Mucho mosquitoes. See?
I can feel something crawling over my back and I haven't got the thing on, so...
Oh, right. Oh, yeah. I got mine. Mine's here. I got mine on. I brought mine with me. You've reminded me. Amanda, you reminded me. You shouldn't say things like that, Andy. Your husband's just standing right here, and he's a muscle man. He's he's a black belt and everything else. So you should be careful what you say there. Lock, stock, bar. I don't know, Warren. Don't know. If I haven't seen it, so I can't say. Guess what? Drink it, because I got to drive. Look, I got to drive, so I'm on my Fanta lemon. I'm on my Fanta lemon. Hi, Beth. Hi, Magdalene. Hi, Albert. Millie. So we're just waiting for the display to start. About 2 or 3 minutes now. They're normally on time. I don't know. I've never seen it before. I've seen it from a distance. Was that times of the show? Well, any minute now it is. You haven't missed them now. Any time, any second now, any minute now. About 2 minutes they should start. A few hours to go and you'll be here, Vicky. That'll be great. We'll hopefully see you. Hi, Teresa. I can hear some fireworks going off, I think. Actually. Is that fireworks going off? Yeah, I think so. I think the 2-minute warning has gone off, and I think it must be down the road a bit further to the left that we'll see it. I've just heard some booms going off. I've been on the famous grouse. Oh, right. Oh, well. We'll see you on Monday then. You rest your case. Yeah. Been watching Benidorm. Everyone seems cheap. No money on holiday. It is cheap. Buenas noches, Altea, yes. Yeah, they're setting off the... It's down that way a bit more, I think we've got to go. I think it's looking like we might have to walk that way a bit more.
Yeah? Well,
Because I can hear the, yeah.
I've asked for the bill, but I was asking for the bill and then we were going to get more drinks. Don't ask, I don't know why.
I think because I can hear the fireworks going off down there, so we might have to go that way a little bit more.
I mean, you can hear people? I can hear something.
I can hear the warnings. No, the warning ones, the ones that set off. Eu pensar carregar pouco mais, caminhar pouco mais, esquerda. Nancy, que tu queres? Eh? Better take. Boss is asking. Yes, boss is.
What's she asking?
I don't know. Oh. Okay. Yeah, they're a bit further down that way. Mira, caminar. Oh, it's un regalo. Oh, mira, that's bueno.
Una bailarina, dance.
Oh, it's a ballerina, it's a dancer. For Nancy. Nancy's been given a nice necklace. Thank you very much. The regalo for Amanda and Lee. Oh, thank you very much, guys. There we go. They've given Nancy a nice... she's got one as well. You got it on, have you?
Yeah, I got
Oh, she's got hers on, look. That's what it looks like out of the box. Ah. That's very kind of her. So I think, well, I think we'll see it from here anyway, but just got a few minutes to go, so I'm going to finish my drink and go out and... They're, I'm thinking it's down that way a bit more, because I can hear the warning ones going off.
Yeah, I think it's coming from over there.
Hey?
I thought it sounded like it was coming from over there, but it might be
So I think it's down that way.
Maybe wait to see where it goes off and get an idea of where.
Well, all the seating, this paper, is that there?
Is it? I don't know. Let's go and have a little wander. Got good signal anyway. Here is the beach in Altea. Yeah, we'll sit from here. Look, there's people here. It's all set up. Yeah, it was beautiful, lovely of them. Because there's loads of people sat there. Hundreds of people, actually. That's the paid seating, yeah. Oh, yeah, so we're going to be okay here. But they're setting off, unless that's somebody else setting off fireworks, I think it could be. Could be just somebody else setting them off. Because there's going to be all sorts of parties and things tonight. Hi, Louisa. Place looks empty. Tina, where are you looking to? Look. I can make the place look empty. Obviously, I've made it look empty to you. There's about 60 to 70,000 people here, apparently, but it's such a stretched out long beach here that you can see it from all the way along here. Like I said, there's an area up there, look, where there's hundreds of people. Don't think it's empty, it's just... you see what you want to see. The other BTs look mobbed. The other BTs, what BTs? What's the other BTs? Is this near Old Town? It's nowhere near Old Town. This is Altea. Yeah, it's Altea. Altea Beach. We're miles away from Benidorm. We're in the next bay along. Oh well, you see what you want to see, Geordie. We're going to watch the fireworks. If you don't like it because there's not enough people here for you, then we're not worried. We only want positive people in here. Happy people. I fancy saying things like that. What? Oh, there we go. Oh, it is. right down there. There we go. Look at that. Oops. Yeah, it seems to be further down than long way down. That's not part of Altea, that isn't. That's right at the end of Altea. Nancy. See, I thought it was out in front of us. But it's not, it's right down the end. That's round the corner, that is. That's not Altea.
That is the end of Altea.
Yeah, the very end, I know. Yeah. First time I've ever been here, so well, been to the firework display. Eh? No, you'll be in. It does come right along, does it? I know it's 45 minutes long or so, the display. Because there's people who have paid for seats up this end. It's crazy. Cala del Racco. Yeah, it's right at the end. It's where I used to go camping for free with the motorhome. Right on the bottom bit. It is one of the largest displays in Spain. No, it doesn't start. It's out at sea. Thanks for that, guys. Dancing David, you got a... Oh, well. You're the one that's losing out. Don't worry, we don't want negative people here. We ain't got a clue what Benidorm's all about. Your sister's on a plane landing right now. Right. Just let him go. Don't say no more to him. Don't even answer him. He doesn't need to be answered. Yeah. Dancing David is no longer. It's something they do every year. It's one of the largest displays in the Benidorm. Hi, Mandy. He only got one. He's not following any. He's following one person. He's got no followers. That Dancing David. He's just come on to do that. Thank you, Shirley. I'd have been better if I was down further. But we'll be there next year. We shall get front row seats next year. Hi, Tracy. Next year we'll have the front row seats. I'll go and pay for the front row seats. Bonfire night is November. Of course it is. You're right, yeah, that's the trouble with all these electric cars and all. They ought to ban the electric cars now that they're causing so much trouble. Right, for little scooters and things like that, but not for cars. They are celebrating, yes. Look at the hearts coming out there now, look. Amazing. That's hearts, look. Heart-shaped fireworks. That's brilliant how they've done that. Yeah, that's right. Of course it is.
And now he's still missing part. Nothing.
Because I was thinking it is there.
Yeah, me too.
Normally, we are there.
At least by seeing it here, we're seeing it all in the same screen. So if you get too close, you miss half of it. Or I'd miss it on the screen. You're welcome, Millie. It is gorgeous, yeah. This goes on for about 45 minutes, so we've still got like half an hour to go yet.
45 minutes, so you have to wait.
Got half an hour to go yet, at least.
You cannot see also. Firework is firework. Their road is closed now.
So I mean, this is nothing yet. I mean, what's the actual finale going to be like? If this is just the display, what's the finale going to be like? I've seen some finales, some of the finales equal to this, but Nancy's right behind me. Can't you hear her? Hey, she's tired. Tired. She's bored. ¿Por qué? ¿Por qué? ¿Tú tienes un problema? Cool. She's messing. Look at that, look. Snow. Thank you. What? Tech youngsters or whatever it is. No, they're in the sea. They're being let off at sea. Thank you, Albert. It's the 5th of November early. See, Louisa. Next year we'll be right up close to him, though. I'm going to get right up next to him next year. So we'll have a bird's eye view very close. But mind you, we're getting them all in, which is good, so... folks that you're watching the live stream can hear the fireworks but can't see them. Oh, right. Muy bonitos, yes. Oops, where are they to now? Hang on. They're just around that bloody corner there. There they go. Yeah, well, next year, try and get here for it. It's always the same time in August. I'd forgotten about it until until Amanda said about it. Because TUI are charging €30 to come and see this. Takes about 20 minutes or so in the bus, I think, from Benidorm. Depends which part of Benidorm you go from. There we go. That's the first 12 minutes of it, or so, 15 minutes. It's 45 minutes altogether, the firework display is. No, I try not to miss anything. When you come in January for your birthday, nearly everything will still be open, Jamie. Midweek might not be, a few places might close, but that's only because there's... Oh. Yep. Oh, look at that. Falling stars. Altea, the far end, towards Calpe. This Calpe end. De nada, Hattie. Screen shared alive. Let's get this out to a few people. Share it to all your friends. I don't know what the occasion is, to be honest. All I know is it's every year, and it's one of the largest. Some people like being on the screen, some people don't. That guy obviously does. Brummy Dave, good evening. One of the largest and one of the longest displays in Spain. And next year we'll be right around the corner watching it, right next to them all. Because we are missing something there. What's going on?
Do you see the lights?
They fooled me, they did. This is the main front of Altea here, but it's just around the corner. Good evening, Katie. What's especially for me? Yeah, this firework display, yeah. God. All the screams because of the fireworks there. Hear all the people screaming. Start of the grouse shooting, yeah. Who pays for the display? The council? No, the people. In the taxes. Fancy saying that. Fancy making a name. Hang on. I'm just gonna... No. Sorry about that. I was just... Whoops, me gimbal's gone. Whoops, get me gimbal back. Do you know what? We've got some really nice people out there, haven't we? And I know who's done that. Nancy is so ugly. Fancy calling yourself that? I got you now. Yes, it is blocked. They've gone, they've gone. Well, Sonny, there's a reason for everything. I don't know if there's any mods in. Oh, there we go. There's San Lorenzo Fiesta. Yeah, because it goes on all night. Yeah, thank you, Brian. I know, Tracy. They're just so childish. So childish. But they're digging their own pit, and they're gonna be inside it soon. So don't worry. I know they are, and they're just crazy. No, I can't just add a mod, Macy. All my mods to choose the mods. And I got mods in. Don't worry. I've done it anyway. So, no worries. They've gone. Don't worry about it, Tracy. Oh, thank you, Chris, for the confetti. I don't know, Albert. I don't know. You tell me. Of course she is. Let's just stay with the happy vibes. When they come on, we just delete them. You're welcome, Chris. Lindsay. Hi, Mary Dole. San Lorenzo Festival. And it goes on till early hours of the morning, so... Apparently the buses are running until 6 in the morning, especially for the show. The Tears of San Lorenzo. Oh, right. It's not in Benidorm, it's in Altea, just away from Benidorm, not very far. It's on the number 10, on the route number 10 bus. You can get here. 10 of us came here. I used my card. It cost us €7 for 10 of us each way on the bus, 70 cents each. If you buy the card, it's so much cheaper. It would have cost nearly 3 times that. So next year I'll be down closer. I'll know where it is now. First time I've been to it. San Lorenzo's Tears. The Fiesta for San Lorenzo. 45 minutes. We're into 20 minutes now, so 25 minutes. So we've still got 20 minutes to go yet. And then we got the finale. That's going to be amazing, the finale. Yeah. We're not even, well, we're halfway through. It's like, Lindsay, really, I don't know when's the best time. Any time is good for Benidorm. There's always stuff going on. The weather is amazing. 29 degrees when we came here, when we got here. No, don't think so, is it? It's normally longer than that. Was that the finale, was it?
Looks like.
Well, it's normally about 45 minutes.
Everybody's
Yeah.
going your way.
Seems like it. Oh well, that was the finale then. Oh well. Don't want it hot. Yeah, that's the finale then. Everybody's coming back now, look. Oh well. Yep, that's it. That surprised me. They say it's normally like 45 minutes, I've been told. So I should remember that for next time. But we're right here on the beach and it was all let off at sea. Budget cuts, yeah. You can see there was people up here that paid for seats. Up here, look. Look at the amount of people up here. And they had seats on the beach you could pay for up there for a $5. Cost of living crisis. Yeah, I don't think we got that over here, to be honest. Oh, well, that was... I expected it to go on a little bit longer than that, but oh well. It was a fabulous display. Just pity we weren't quite so close, but everybody was here. Look at them all set up on the beach here, look. So, oh well. There's like 60 to 70,000 people here, apparently, to watch that. You're welcome. Definitely worth seeing. Like I said, next year I should get on right up close to it. The only thing is, the trouble is with Altea Beach is, and Altea Beach, it's like this. It's not sand. It's all pebbles. That's the only problem with Altea. So you'll need a pair. So if you go to any of these beaches here, the sandy beaches are Benidorm. All that traffic, yeah, we're on the bus. Sophie? Why, what's Sophie saying? Really? Hang on a minute. Well, if that's all what people can say, then they've really got a problem. Yeah, Sophie... I know. It's the same troll. I know they keep making new accounts. Well, I don't keep doing it because I'm keeping a track of it, and I'm going to hand it over to TikTok. I've got Layla working for it now. Layla from the Daily Star. She's going to help me. So whoever it is, they're going to get found out, and TikTok will sort them out. Yeah, we're fine. know, it's just crazy. And all for one reason. And I think you all know now. I don't think I need to say anything. I think we can all work it out. Yeah, there's quite a few people up here. So yes, here we are. Here's our group. Here's beautiful Nancy, who's been crushed by a bus. Somebody else is letting off fireworks now. Normally, some of the boats and that let fireworks off as well, but or flares. Because I know firework display. We went in France. All the boats used to let off the flares afterwards. They had flares that were going out of date, so they just use them up for that thing. So, thank you, Mark. Yep, subscribe to me thing. Is it expensive to eat out? No, it's very cheap to eat out. Very cheap to eat out. I don't know what it's like over here. I think it's a bit dearer over this way in Altea and Altea. It might not be. I don't know. What's it like for you? Eat out in Altea quite a bit.
Yeah.
Was it cheap or expensive?
No, it's about average. Yeah,
About average.
Yeah, it's all right,
About the same. Eh?
Obviously, you get some restaurants that are a bit more pricey.
Nigel,
Yeah.
tell Nancy we're driving all the way through to the UK. We're not stopping.
Driving what?
We're driving all the way through.
Ahí es conducir todo por ahí directo por Inglaterra. No, no. You can be traced even with a VPN, I know.
Nancy, drive like that.
Frozen, is it? What's frozen?
I sleep without eye and then I sleep without eye.
What's frozen? Nancy looks beautiful. See?
It takes about 18 hours to get from here.
Yes, the
to
8
Calais.
orders.
Yeah. But when we come down here, we stop off in North Spain. And stay fly for the night just to break it up. But on the way, it seems to be quicker
No,
going
necessito
over here.
voi per il directo affronti.
Maybe it's just a route.
Sì, musica e todo is affronti. On schiena.
That's if you go straight through. But
No, sei.
add another
Primero
couple of
vez.
hours, about 18 hours.
Sì. Per il prossimo io voi per directo, sì.
Right, Dave. Can't see what someone said. Does it say Es Rosie Hunt? No, I don't think
No,
that's
it's
me,
Rebecca.
And then
I ain't got no mods on.
to train the other side is 2 hours.
You have?
Who?
Declan is.
Oh, Declan's in, yeah. He's only just arrived though.
Hi, Dad.
It's,
Rebecca doesn't
got
drive
some
when
nice-
you get the other side.
Nancy is so ugly.
That would make it fairer.
That was the name of one. And Nancy got crushed by a bus and
It's my truck.
taking it out on her now.
We got this. I pay for it.
Nancy's a gorgeous lady. Of course she is.
She is a gorgeous lady. They're both gorgeous.
Yeah.
She's got it wrong.
So yes, we're here at the front of Altea. Eh?
I bought all three.
The hair's the same.
Oh yeah, they look the same. Yeah, they're twins.
She's just cocked up in
Just that one's got more sun than the other. Yeah, photo for the Facebook.
the rear subframe breaks in this one particular.
Yeah.
All right.
So we're waiting for a subframe.
No.
Hello, you alright?
It's only
So
9 years old, is it? About 9 years old. Is it? It's only done 70,000 miles.
Don't focus on them, Nigel. No,
Hey.
it's like water for Dove's back.
no, I'm not
wasting their
focusing on.
time.
No, I know they are. Yeah.
Wasting their time.
Yeah. So of course they are.
Must have all been over
Have I
there.
recovered? Yes.
Yeah, one chair, I suppose, yeah.
Nancy,
Yeah, I know.
Telling me I was supposed to look at
Well, I know they are. That's the thing now. They've exposed themselves, so I do know who they are
Nigel,
now.
look at all
Yeah.
them boats, look.
Yeah, I know.
All coming away from the fireworks display.
Yeah. Loads of boats coming away from the firework display here. Hang on, I'm trying to turn it around. There's all the boats that are coming away from the firework display.
that's what you need to do, Nigel. You need to
Yeah, you need to go a boat. Yeah, well, they're boat trips. Actually, next year I might do the boat trip because they do a boat trip out there, and you can see it from this from the sea then.
Yeah, it's brilliant doing that.
Yeah.
And they were rustic.
So next year we might go out on a boat trip. I think it's about €30, which that's not a lot really. You get a boat from Benidorm, over to here, and then watch the firework display. I was told about it earlier today. I didn't realise that they did the trips as well. So that might be the thing. Yeah, that might be the thing for next year. Like I said, I've always been working in previous years when this is on, and this is the first time I've been able to get here and do it. And of course, I've not known how it works and where it was exactly. This is where I thought Altea is, and they said it's like 600-700 meters long, and there was lots of people here, so I just automatically thought it was here. And they got paid seating areas up further, so they fooled me. They did. Waxing, yeah. Yes, I had to sleep this evening. I didn't sleep this afternoon. I was working this afternoon, Alison. But up there, they had hundreds of people sat on seats. In fact, there's still some people up there now, look. There's loads of people up there. There's like 60 to 70,000 people here or something. No, I'm not saying anything. So, maybe it's time to go and speak to them. Because, I've been totally ignoring them so far, so maybe it's time to start. Although, no, they'll just dig a digger pit, so we'll let them carry on. Yes? Oh, yeah. See? Trims the bushes and waxes, yes. It's some fiesta. We are in Altea, so it's all finished now. So I didn't get another drink either. So now we've got to get a number 10 bus and head back, I suppose, unless we want to go to the fiesta. There's a big party going on till 6 in the morning, apparently. So let's have a look. It looks like there's some interesting colours out there. Yeah. They won't never do that anyway, so I know them. They will never do that. There's where the firework display was down there, look. Look at the colours down there, look. Big, I don't know what that is on that corner there. But that's where I should have been. And that's where I'll be, well, either that or on the boat trip next year. Hang on, I've got to... Hang on. Do you know what? I will carry on entertaining. I won't let these people... Oops.
Then I had a Renault Megane, the one with the funny backside. Yeah. I was driving it, and it started... What's that? Down the road. What the hell's going on here? So it wasn't cutting out, so it was just...
Crazy, isn't it?
Why?
And so I looked at
You're going to get rid of that? I can't get no signal on my phone, Nigel. It's not working properly. I can't even look at a website to show Nancy something. How comes yours is okay and mine ain't?
I don't know, because I'm with Orange. All right, good night there. Yeah, we know. Yeah, don't worry about them. Don't entertain. Don't do anything with them. They're just. He'll be back again with another one in a minute. They're just. I want them to keep coming because they're being traced. So I shall stay on until they keep doing it. Yeah, that's how I know it is one. Right. Anyway, yes. So, do you know what? I cannot believe that these places closed at 11 o'clock when they got an area here for people that would have been here till later. That they could have had at least another hour and a half of people sitting here having drinks. Crazy. Some people stayed open. This one did. We had drinks in here. That's where we got our drinks from.
Bloody college things to be a mechanic that they don't even pay. No, it's got 2 tons. They look silly pop one. I was like, oh yeah, come on. Fit a new one.
The bus recommend from the airport to Arcos Gold. There's only one airport bus, and it's now €10.40. If you book it online, it's €9.40. They've gone up now, the airport bus. Just this week, it's €10.40, but you can book it online, and it's €9.40. The Elsa bus. I don't know that it's just an Elsa bus. You have to book it up with them, and you can do it online, and it's €1 cheaper. No, Rosie's suffering from last night. And we got fireworks going off because there's a special Lorenzo. What's it called again? San Lorenzo. The Tears of San Lorenzo is this big festival. Everybody's coming back from it. So you didn't get a notification, Sally. What you'll have to do is to switch off all notifications, go out of the app, come back in again, and then switch them back on again. That normally works. It is much quieter. People do go to bed earlier, yes. It's nothing like Benidorm here. I know. But when there's a fiesta on like this, you'd think they would stay open longer. But next year, we'll definitely go on the... so those were the boats going to see it. We'll do that next year. Yeah, hangover. Yeah, their hangover is really bad. I managed to get away early, but even Rebecca suffered.
What?
Rosie and that couldn't make it.
No. To be honest, I get out my head's okay. It's more like
Displays for bonfire night. They don't do bonfire night over here the same as in England. It's only an English tradition, that is.
Yeah.
They have lots of other fireworks, other nights, lots of displays.
Can't read anything.
But would be fantastic, yeah. How is it we're sober at this time of night? Why do you think that we wouldn't be, Peter? Not everybody has to drink, get drunk. Going back to Benidorm on the train. No, the train, I don't know if the train's probably still running. We're going to get the bus. The buses are running until 6 in the morning, apparently, so we shall get a bus. Fuengirola, yes. I have been to Fuengirola. I've been to the market. I parked up in the market, actually, and I've been to the adventure golf course there as well. Brilliant. Thank you, Sebastian. Where are we? We are in Altea. We're on the seafront of Altea. I'm glad you enjoyed the fireworks.
Guess who this is?
Probably picked up his phone.
And everybody's coming back from the fireworks now, look. Lots of people are coming back now. So we'll go that way round. Yeah, the fireworks were just back here. Right here they were. Amazing. Sí, para San Lorenzo. Tu sabes. Right, I'm going to. What I'm going to do is I'm going to go off now, and I'll come back on when we're going to head back home, and I'll let you see how we get the bus from here, so that if you ever come to Altea, we'll do the number 10 bus because we're going to get on the number 10 bus, go back. Train is great. We're only going to go so far as. Oh, you know the UK one is, yeah. You like the fireworks? That's good. So did everybody else here. It was amazing. We did, unfortunately, not see it at its best angle, which we will next year. Now I know how to get there. So, why not, Christine? There's nothing happening now. Good luck with that bus. Thank you, Biggest Tickets. Yeah. There's going to be a big queue for the bus, I think. Look at the amount of people here. And the taxis and every form of track. Like, might have to call Vanessa to take us back and then get the car. You're welcome, Chris. We're in Altea. We're actually, you know, the Valor Chocolate Factory. They've got a place. Oh, hey, howdy, Cap. Howdy. If I go across here, we can see the beach here. Look. I'll come back live. Yeah, I'll once we get sorted. But you missed it. You'll catch it on YouTube. Yeah. What I wondered. That's why I wanted to shut it off. I might just shut it off and come back on again because we've done 56 minutes. All right, I'll come back on again. But I'll shut it now and then we'll be back. And if you just want to sit and chat, then we'll chat from here. It's a lovely night, as you can see. So I'll shut it off and I'll come back on again. And we'll have a chat again. So I'll see you in a minute then. It's just I want to do it so that it's not too long for the YouTube. Right. And it's now 56 minutes, so we're done there. Right, we'll see you in a minute then. I'll see you in a minute. Don't forget, share it out, and we'll be back. And if you wait, take this few seconds to go on to my YouTube channel. There's a link in my bio, and then give us a subscribe if you could. That would be brilliant. That'd be really great. Thank you very much, and I'll see you soon. Thank you, Hetty and Sunny and Louise and Jules, Claudia. Thanks for following me, Claudia. Facing the sea. I'll be here to the right or left? Right. It's to the right, facing the sea. Altea's left, towards Calpe.